You might be wondering how you can organize your ideas for the first essay. It might so happen that you end up writing a 5 paragraph essay, your intro, 3 body paragraphs, and a conclusion, but I don't want you to feel constrained to that formula. Remember, essays certainly do not have to be 5 paragraphs. As a rule of thumb, though, generally a body paragraph in an academic class should be about 3/4 of a page. We're looking for substantial body paragraphs with lots of concrete examples and lots of sophisticated analysis. And of course, you want to be including topic sentences and transitions within your body paragraphs. So it might be that your essay has 2 body paragraphs, 3 body paragraphs, maybe even 4. So you might be wondering how to organize your paragraphs. You want to make an outline. You can look a little bit further in the module to see a sample outline template if it's been a while since you've created an alphanumeric outline. One way that you can divide your essay is just according to a few big ideas or subpoints of your thesis. So hypothetically, if I were writing my essay about this Tacori ad, and again, you should not be writing about this Tacori ad, you should pick a recent ad that you have selected. And again, it doesn't have to be an ad, it could just be an image. But let's say hypothetically I'm doing this ad. I might choose to have 1 body paragraph all about the reference to chess, right? So I might talk about what the pieces mean here. I might talk about the color of the chess pieces. I might talk about this concept of checkmate. I might talk about this idea of royalty or what chess evokes, how it's considered sort of a sophisticated intellectual game and it has that connotation. So I might have a whole paragraph about chess in the advertisement. Then I might also have one other paragraph about the rings. After all, it's a jewelry advertisement, so maybe I want to have a whole body paragraph in which I analyze the rings, the type of rings that are featured, the placement of the ring, how one ring looks like it's just been placed on top of the chess piece, the shine, the color, the choice of metals that they chose to feature in the ad. So I might have 1 paragraph all about the rings if I have enough to say about the rings. And then maybe I want to have 1 paragraph about the absence or the choices to leave out certain things in this ad. When I look at this ad, I notice that a lot is left out. In the background, there's a lot of just blank white space. There's not a whole lot of text at all. We just have the brand Tacori. We don't have a description. We don't have a reference to where we can find the product. We don't have fine print. So there's a lot of absence. There's also an absence of color. I'm guessing that that's all for effect. So I might have another body paragraph all about what this ad leaves out. Because remember, what ads leave out can be just as telling as what ads include. That's just one way I could organize an essay. I might also choose to organize my essay by the 3 rhetorical appeals: pathos, ethos, and logos. Now, you certainly don't have to do this. I think a lot of students feel like since the prompt mentions those 3 rhetorical appeals that each body paragraph has to correspond to one of the appeals, it certainly does not, but you could organize your essay that way if you would like to and if it seems natural. Remember that somewhere in your essay you have to mention all 3 appeals, even if the ad isn't really relying on one of the appeals like logos or ethos. I still want you to mention the absence of that rhetorical appeal, whether it's a couple of sentences or a whole paragraph. You might also organize your organize your essay according to some other logic that makes sense to you. But the key is to divide your essay into subpoints of your thesis. If you attempt to write your essay without a structure, without an organizational scheme, it's not going to be as organized as it could be. And if you look on the rubric for this essay assignment and all essay assignments, organization and some sort of logical order is important.